Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you want to see exactly where your Gumroad traffic and sales come from. It's totally doable in this new version, so tracking data is critical if you are running ads or promoting products online. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to connect Gumroad to Google Analytics 4, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first and first, before even going through the Gumroad page and all of these, we want to access our Google Analytics account and copy our measurement ID that starts with a G. So go and look for Google Analytics. Analytics and hit enter. Okay, so this is it. This is the page. All you're gonna do now is go and log in, copy the measurement ID. Now we're gonna go back to look for Gumroad. Tap on the link, then open this new tab. Log in again using your email address and password, then go and tap on dashboard. Now we're gonna go all the way to look for settings. So basically in the old platform we had this in advanced, but as for now we can just go to third-party analytics. As you see here, this is the Google Analytics property ID. Make sure you enable this third-party analytics services. Then this is the place where you want to paste your code. Then make sure you save the changes. Now all of them traffic data from your Gumroad pages will be sent to Google Analytics immediately. Then you can check the real-time reports to confirm the tracking works and use UTM links to track marketing campaigns. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.